Everyone is freaking out over interest rates and think the market is going to crash. There's a lot of noise out there, so let's stop listening to all the noise out there and instead, let's talk about what the stats for the last couple of months are showing and what trends are starting to develop in St. Johns County, Florida. If you are new to my channel, I'm Kim Devlin with the Kim Devlin team in beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. Welcome, and please reach out anytime with your questions, either by commenting below or clicking the link in the description to contact me directly. I'm here and always happy to help. So what is happening in the St. Johns County, Florida market? In the month of October, we saw 665 single-family homes come on the market in St. Johns County. In the previous month, we saw 550 new listings. So that was a 21% increase in inventory in just 1 month. We saw 442 homes sold compared to 369 in September. So October saw an uptick in activity even with the higher interest rates. Days on market on average have been about 50 days in the last couple of months, and we currently have 3 months of inventory, which is the highest we have seen all year. The median sale price has increased 18.5% from a year ago, but since July, we have seen a bit of a leveling off month over month and are currently at a median price of $550,000, which is where we were back in June. With this leveling off of home prices and higher interest rates, the market is definitely experiencing a deceleration. The affordability and inventory is still the most significant factor for home buyers. Even though inventory is up, 3 months is still very much a seller's market. Remember, 6 months would be a balanced market. Now, I am seeing a lot of move-in ready construction homes coming on the market. So the inventory is increasing, but it can be a bit skewed, especially for people looking to be in a more established neighborhood, because that inventory is still low considering the majority of those homes are owner-occupied. And those owners may not be in a rush to sell if they have to buy another home with the higher mortgage rates. For example, they may have refinanced when the rates were lower or bought a home at 3% and may not be ready to give up that lower monthly payment. So they're holding tight and not willing to sell. So buyers looking to get into a house now may see more options and opportunity with the newer construction homes because there are lots of incentives right now, such as flex cash to be used on either lowering the price or buying down the rate, plus additional funds are being offered towards closing costs. The interest rates have obviously played a factor on the slowdown in the market. The prices really haven't come down enough for a lot of home buyers who are still really priced out of this market. And obviously the interest rates are not helping. Now, we do not know what the rates will do next year, so waiting to see what happens may come back and bite you in the you-know-what. But I am definitely seeing more price reductions daily in our local market, and these homes are mainly homes that are priced too high to begin with and haven't yet adjusted to the change in the market. But the good news is sellers are becoming more realistic and considering offers below list price. Homes in St. Johns County are selling at about 97% of the list price. So we are not seeing the multiple offer competition as we had earlier this year. And buyers now have the ability to negotiate price and terms, which is a wonderful thing. If you are on the market for a home because you need a home, then look at the bigger picture. A mortgage will still be better than renting. Rent will never bring you equity. So if you need a home, then you should buy a home. Now, if you were thinking about downsizing or upsizing, but are comfortable with your current payments and you can manage the home that you have, I wouldn't rush to buy anything yet, as experts do expect a rate adjustment in the coming year. Again, we can never predict what those rates will be, as none of us ever expected the rates to hit 7% this year. But if you are not wanting to take on the risk of selling your current home and taking on a larger monthly payment, then waiting is the better option. It will be interesting to see if the November stats continue on this trend of more inventory and price leveling. So I'll be sure to bring you those numbers next month. In the meantime, if you have any questions about your current home's value or the activity in a specific neighborhood, I'm here to help, so reach out anytime. You'll find the link below and my contact info. You can also leave a comment if you like. For more information on the market in St. Johns County, check out this video. I really do appreciate you watching, and I will catch you on the next one.